What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the super flagship OnePlus 10 Ultra is shown in new renderings. OnePlus 10 Ultra gets a better zoom camera than the OnePlus 10 Pro. OnePlus patents a smartphone with a similar design to the OnePlus 10 Pro, but with a periscope camera. Will this be the alleged OnePlus 10 Ultra? Immediately after the release of the OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone, information appeared on the network that the company was preparing another premium smartphone, a possible competitor to the Ultra series from Xiaomi and Samsung. And now, the first renders of the new super flagship OnePlus have been received from the source Let's Go Digital. Yes, to get a better picture of the patented OnePlus phone, graphic designer German Smith, known as Concept Creator, made a series of product images for Let's Go Digital resource, in which the renewed camera system is central. The new renders are based on a OnePlus technology patent that has been registered with the EUIPO, EU Patent Office. The documentation dates back to the very end of January 21 and contains 7 images of the future smartphone. The front panel of the OnePlus 10 Ultra is no different from its predecessor, the OnePlus 10 Pro. The display is slightly rounded at the edges, with narrow bezels and a cutout for the front at the top of a screen on the left. The most eye-catching is without a doubt the rear panel. The camera system extends to the side of the device and therefore has the same type of the design as the OnePlus 10 Pro. It is a triple camera system with a flash. However, there is a clear difference with the Pro model, because the patented OnePlus 10 Ultra has a periscope 5x zoom camera with a rectangular lens module. A microphone is placed on the top. In addition, at the bottom we see a second microphone, a speaker, a SIM card compartment, and a USB Type-C connection. Finally, the OnePlus 10 Ultra is expected to be equipped with an extra powerful chipset. The current Pro model is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 single chip system. This is Qualcomm's most powerful processor to date. A slightly improved variant will probably appear in the course of 2022, which will be applied in the OnePlus 10 Ultra. In the coming months, more will undoubtedly become known about the new top model from OnePlus. But at the moment, this is just a rumor without official confirmation. On top of the camera, the block is the main module and wide angle. The presentation of the novelty is scheduled for the second half of 2022. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.